10 unique business ideas to start from home. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you are a student, or whether you are just someone looking for a break from the usual 9-to-5 grind, these ideas are perfect for you. Without much waste of our time, let's dive straight in. So the first one we want to look at is freelance writing. So if you are a creative, if you've got a knack for writing, if you know how to write short stories, or you even know how to write full books, you know how to write fictional stories, this is for you. Writing articles or even newsletters, there is a huge market for you. You can create a simple profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Freelancer to start your freelance journey today. Now build a portfolio, set competitive rates, give your best in all your jobs, and watch your income grow on Fiverr. The next one we're going to be looking at is virtual assistants. Yes, you can start a virtual assistant business from the comfort of your home. You can manage 1, 2, 3, and even 4 customers at a time. Now, the good thing about virtual assistants is that it affords you the opportunity to work from the comfort of your home or from anywhere you are. So if you're aspiring digital nomad or you are already a digital nomad, consider adding virtual assistance business to the list of some of the things that you do. So let's look at how to start a virtual assistance business. Businesses are constantly looking for virtual assistants to handle emails, to handle their social media platforms, to even handle other clerical jobs from remotely. So if you have organizational skill, you have access to internet, you have a working computer or a working phone, then this might be the right fit for you. Now, the good thing about virtual assistance business, you don't need a lot to start up. All you need is to create your simple profile on platforms like Fiverr or virtual assistants. Now we are moving on to online coaching. So if you are skilled in business finance, if you are skilled in personal finance, if you are skilled in career coaching, fitness, and things like that, then you might have a chance in the coaching industry. Now you can start your coaching services. Offer virtual coaching services. Remember, we are looking at businesses. We are looking at ways to work from home in 2025 and beyond. Offer online coaching or tutoring online. You can use Google Meet or Zooms or even Teams to do your virtual meetings. Now you can help others succeed while you monetize your own expertise. Moving on to the fourth on our list. The fourth one we want to look at is print-on-demand business. Now, this is a simple business model. You can go into printing things like mugs, t-shirts, jotters, planners, and even notebooks. Now, platforms like Printify and Printful, they help you print and they also do the delivery. All you need to do is to set up your own Printful or Printify account today. You can also try Canva. They have quality printing services, but Canva is limited to some areas and regions. So all you need to do is to create those beautiful designs from the comfort of your home while you allow the companies like Printful or Printify or even Canva do the rest of the job for you. The social media is a gold mine for businesses, and businesses today would give almost anything to boost their online presence. So if you have a knowledge or expertise in social media management, if you know how to boost a business's visibility online, or if you know how to create engaging posts, or even know how to create exciting reels, this is for you. Now you can start managing the social media pages of other business. A lot of business owners don't have the technical know-how on how to boost their social media presence. They don't even know how to manage their own social media pages. So you can start social media management today. If you are looking for how to get your first clients, you could help your family and friends market, or you could help your family and friends organize their own social media platforms. This way, you can now start getting your first customers from referrals or by word of mouth. Make sure you give your best into your first jobs or even all your jobs. So this way, one customer will refer the other customer and the line goes on. We're moving on to the next one. So you can offer content creation and scheduling services on social media. Now, social media management, just like virtual assistants, offer you every flexibility you need. So if you are a stay-home parent and you would like to work while you spend time with your family, this is for you. Consider social media management today. Moving on to the next one, we have home-based baking or cooking. So if you are passionate about cooking or you know how to cook, why not turn this your knowledge or expertise into money? Now, food is one of the businesses, or food is one of the areas that would always sell. You should start a home-based baking or catering business. So if you are an excellent chef or you have a vast knowledge of foods and ingredients, this might be for you. Why not start a home-based baking or catering business today? Now, the thing you should do is to narrow down. So you have to look for a strong niche. You could look for things like gourmet meal kits or even customized DIY pizza kits. You could also consider ethnic fusion, and you could also consider traditional flavors. So if this sounds like something you would like, you can watch the attached video where we spoke about how to start a food business. Now you can use platforms like Facebook and Instagram to connect with your potential customers. If you don't know how to start marketing your food business, you can start making meals for your family and your close friends. Now put your best into this, and before you know it, the cycle grows. Food is the one thing that sells itself when made and packaged properly. So you want to make sure your food is registered. You want to make sure your food is properly labeled and packaged according to your local council's guidelines. You can offer things like gluten-free or even vegan snacks. You can do things like kombucha, or you could even go into fermented foods. Moving on to the next one, we have dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. What to do here is to partner with suppliers who are going to supply and deliver products while you just market and sell them online. You can go on platforms like Shopify. You can also check platforms like WooCommerce. You can also check platforms like Wix. Now, these platforms I've mentioned, they have a lot of suppliers and manufacturers who they are going to hook you up with. So all you have to do is to set up your store, market your products, and forget about all the risk and all the stress that comes with manufacturing and delivery. Moving on to number 8 on our list, digital product creation. You can sell digital products like ebooks and printables. Let me give you an example. You can sell things like printable weekly meal planners. You could plan meal menus for people that are looking to lose their weight or people with dietary needs and conditions. You could create e-versions of adult games. You could create e-versions of crosswords. You could create e-versions of puzzles. So here, these are some printables. These are some unique things you should consider. Now it's drawing closer to Christmas. Here are some of the printables you should be looking at. You should be looking at games that family could play together. So even if it is a 20 to 30 pages of coloring sheet, printable writing materials or activity for families, you should consider. You can use platforms like Etsy and Gumroad to reach your global audience. You can also promote on your social media platforms like your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, and even your Pinterest. Join groups on Facebook so you can meet your target audience. Number 9 on our list, online reselling. Guys, I am doing this already. You can resell old stuff like clothes, books, electronics, and even old furniture online. So you can consider platforms like Facebook Marketplace. You can also consider eBay, and you can consider Depop. Now on these platforms, you can flip and sell old things. So why not make some extra cash from home? Look around you. I am sure there are those extra bits and bobs you've been hoarding over time. Today is the time to go into your closet, look at those clothes you've not been wearing for a long time. If you want to give to charity, that's fine. But if you are not giving to charity, instead of hoarding, why not sell these clothes? Make sure you set competitive prices, make sure you take adequate pictures, and make sure you attach videos to your listings, and make sure you optimize your listings on the platforms with the correct hashtags. Content creation is one of the best ways to build a personal brand online. So why not start content creation on a niche you are passionate about? So you can start your content creation journey through a blog today, a podcast, or even a YouTube channel. Over time, you can monetize your content creation through brand partnerships, ads placement, and even affiliate marketing. There you have it, guys. 10 business ideas you can start from home today. Which of these ideas resonates with you, or which ones have I missed out? Please leave me a comment below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like, remember to share, and don't forget to leave us a comment. Remember to subscribe to our page and turn on your notification so we can win together. Thank you so much for joining me today, and see you